If you are waiting to save $200,000 before buying a home in Toronto, you might be making a very expensive mistake. Most buyers think they need a huge pile of cash sitting in their account before they can even think about buying. Not true. A lot of first time homebuyers completely overlook FHSA, the First Home Savings Account. It gives you tax free growth and potential tax deductions while helping you save for your first home. That means your money could be working smarter while you are waiting. And the biggest mistake, some people spend years waiting, while prices, opportunity, and timing keep moving. Before you decide you are not ready to buy in Toronto, make sure you are not missing tools that could actually help you get there faster. Follow for Toronto real estate tips that most buyers never hear.